Dude, look at this engine.
Wow.
Whoa.
What's this?
Guys, if this, oh, guys, look, this is for sale. ¿Tú sabes que esto lo están vendiendo? Anthony, look at him, look at him. That's my cousin, guys. Go ahead. Look in the awesome car. I'm really a fan. Nice. I'm really a fan of blue, but I don't care. Damn.
I like this car better.
Me too. I like.
Buy a car like
It would be even better if it was kind of blue.
I wish we had a car like that.
Me too. Guys, they're awesome cars. We're in a car show, and they're the best. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Dude, this looks like a race car. Dude, that looks like a race car.
This is an old car.
Yeah, this is like they put old fashioned in here too. Dude, look at the engines, dude. Look at the engines. Looks so weird.
I want to take a portrait.
Okay. Just do a video then. Dude. That's what I'm doing. I don't want to take pictures. Guys, look at it. Oh gosh, dog. Look at it. Look at it from here. That looks like a car from Need for Speed Most Wanted. Guys, let's hope they don't take the best cars. Guys, let's hope they don't take the best cars.
Look, parece que se dobla, man.
I know.
So cool. The good thing about it, you can take long pictures.
Look at this. Guys, if you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. I will do more videos like this not every day because my mom's work. So yeah. And she goes here a lot of times. Not here, but places like this, and they show things.
Ese era como el que tenía en su gama, ¿verdad? Pero más viejo.
Look at this guy, guys. Look at it. ¿Y Anthony? ¿Y Anthony? México. México. ¿Y Anthony? Guys, look at this. Look at this beauty. It would be even better. Era mejor si era azul. Look at it. Yeah, awesome. That's so awesome, guys. We're getting near to my favorite car. This is from the old days. Oh, there you were. There he was.
These cars are all kind of Cuba.
Guys, look at this. This is from Cuba. The old times. The good
That's
cars.
not from Cuba, man.
Oh, never mind. It's not from Cuba. Never mind. I didn't know. Yeah, it's that some of those cars I think from Cuba's. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have not really been to Cuba so much.
Still in Cuba.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, look at this.
They're cool.
This looks so random. Look at that, guys.
This is from 1974.
It looks so random. Dude, that looks so random.
Ay, mira, parece como el de la película.
Damn. I should take pictures instead because I'm doing the video for you guys. I'll still do a video, but Oh, damn it, a car misplaced here and he left. Damn it, guys, look at that. Ugly car. This is a beautiful car. Yeah, not beautiful. Dude, you know that car that we were looking at and it came in? I think it left.
Look at that car.
I know. It's so ugly. Okay, look at this. Dude, this looks like a wedding car.
That's a nice car.
Yeah, it looks like a wedding car.
Look, that's a lacrosse thing.
Oh yeah.
You know what's lacrosse?
Oh no, it's for a sport.
Well, but
No, but it's like
one of the coolest sports. People don't even know it. It's in Canada. Those
I like this part. I like the entrance.
I like all of them.
Whoa, it's so shiny. I know.
Taking photos of your video.
What? No one sees my videos. Don't care. I still make them because like when people start looking at it, there's even more on the other side. That's cool. Dude, look at this. Looks so weird. The blue thing is red.
Look for the new cars. The cars that we saw.
It's over there.
Where?
Over there.
I see them.
Where?
There. See? That car.
We need, guys.
Pass it open.
Yeah, guys, we need to go over there because I think there's where the cooler cars are. This is from ancient, guys.
That car's a lot.
This is epic. Yeah, no, duh, look at it. I don't want that car.
It's old. That's what makes it more valuable.
I know. Old stuff now, when this is the old
That's like an
cool
ancient
way.
Ferrari.
I know.
But it's not.
I know. It should be.
It's not your car.
What are you doing with the wheels?
The wheels are good.
They kind of do look good.
Look at this.
No,
Everything about this car is good.
I know.
Early.
Dude, let's go over there. Because there's where.
For school.
Yeah. It looks like from games. I don't know, like from movies.
You know, old cars like that one cost a lot. You haven't seen it
Yeah.
called property, you know? Oh, it's cost a lot.
Yeah.
And this one, I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Coolest Mustang ever.
I know, it's like that one over there.
Cooler than the new Mustang. You know, I don't like the new ones.
It's like that one over there, guys.
Look at this one. Oh, man. I want this one for Christmas.
Yeah, but you can't drive right now. So I do want it.
2 years.
And there's another car that it's better. Over. It's around here. Oh, it's over there. Did you see the orange part? That we saw when it was coming? Dude, look at this car. Dude, it looked better. Dude, this car would look better. Like, if it had it more.
Oh, I like this one. It's like the biggest car ever.
No, I don't like it. Dude, this is my style. The ones that are coming right here.
You know, it's like
No,
a van.
this one's not my style,
This
okay,
one's like
guys?
a van.
Yeah. No, but
It's
for
big.
2 seats.
Oh my god, look at this. It's awesome. Don't.
Sorry.
Awesome. I like it.
Ouch!
I know. Well, I like
Hot.
it. I'm still putting my hand there. It's hot.
I know. That's why I said hot.
I like
Oh,
this car.
guys, look at this. This is my style right now.
You know, I like old cars better.
No, I'm not that of a fan.
Not that.
Look at this.
I mean, this is a badass.
I know. What about this one now, huh? What about this one? What are these cars, really? I don't even know the name of it. Qué chiquito. This should cost a lot of money.
I know.
Damn, it's golden everywhere.
Taking a nap at the picnic table.
I like this car. Not that much. Not in the back.
Me too. I don't like it so much because it's gold everything. I like it because of the eagle too.
The racing car.
Yeah, guys.
Look at this car. Sit down.
I think we're going to look at some of the racing cars now.